So, and the crossovers, it's all copper. I don't know, some Bilford resistors, so.
And you designed the layout for the crossover and everything for the
Yeah,
setup
yep.
and all that?
Johnny came up
That's
with
gorgeous.
the values and I laid it all out.
That's gorgeous.
Yep.
Why, I didn't know what the green things were, so I just asked Brad, and they're Bilford resistors.
Yep.
Why is there a resistor on the woofer?
It's,
I mean, typically that's
It's on,
atypical.
It's a damp second order.
yeah.
Damped.
Yeah, so there's a coil in series, then a cap and a resistor in parallel.
Yeah. Still be a cap and then the resistors on the end.
Oh,
It
okay,
kinda
got it,
just
got it,
brings
okay, I
that-
see it,
tilts
I
that
see
down a
it.
little
Yeah,
bit.
I'm sorry, yep, I see it, sorry. Bad question.
Oh,
I thought it was.
Anything else?
it's not.
No, I think that's it.
right.
Okay. Here she comes.